What's up, guys? Astro Diver #1 here, and I just wanted to give you guys a 1 month update on my winter garden. So I planted this a day before Thanksgiving. Today is 2 days, December 23rd, before Christmas. So it's done fine over the last month. But the problem is most of the United States I know is facing is it's going to get very cold this weekend. In fact, for the next 4 days we're due to have record cold temperatures. We're talking 21, 22 degrees Fahrenheit, which is, 25 years I've never seen it this cold here. So broccoli and cauliflower and celery and cabbage will survive temperatures in the upper 20s for short periods, but we're gonna have, probably 40 hours total of temperatures well below freezing. So I'm gonna make a half-assed attempt to cover these up, and hopefully we'll make it till next Tuesday. So the soil is moist. It's not wet, but it's not dry either. So that's probably good. And I'm just going to cover it with some old sheets. So I'm going to wait till the sun gets down a little bit lower. It's about 2 in the afternoon now, and 55 degrees. And by 4:30 it should be close to freezing. And let them get all the sunlight they can for now, I guess. And my green grass is probably going to be gone too. Oh well, it'll come back. And my flowers. Well, time to cover up. And I'm just clamping down the trellises with little wood chop vices. Alright, so that's that. Again, just like 4 wood clamps and a half a dozen nails just to tag it down. And I figured since I've come along this far, might as well use this old radiator heater after 4 a.m. on low. Because why not? I'm committed. Alright guys, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I'll see you in 4 days. Okay, so 5 days later, it's now December 28th. Had to wait an extra evening. It went down to 27 degrees last night, so I figured I would leave everything on. I did take a look at it Christmas morning. That was the coldest night we had, a record. It was 19 degrees that night, and it didn't look too happy, but well, you're gonna see it as I see it. Well, it looks pretty darn happy. So, we dodged that bullet. I'm going to leave the trellises up just in case it gets cold again in January. So again, happy holidays to everybody, and happy New Year's, and we'll see you next year. And the grass didn't turn brown. Yay.